Web hosting is a critical component of the digital world. It is what allows a website to be accessible on the internet, functioning as a virtual home where your website lives. When with a notable post per click value of 13 dollars. Web hosting related keywords are in demand in the digital marketing realm, in reflecting the growth and importance of online presence for business and individual alike. The basic of web hosting. Web hosting is a service that provides the necessary technologies and services for a website to be viewed on the internet. Websites are stored or hosted on special computers called servers. When internet users want to view your website, their computer connects to your web host's server, allowing them to browse your web page. Different types of web hosting. There are several types of web hosting, each catering to different needs and budgets. Shared hosting. This is the most cost-effective option where multiple websites share the same server and its resources. Virtual private servers hosting. This type offer more customization and storage space, while sites still share a server. They have their own dedicated portion of the server's resources. Dedicated hosting. Here, here a website has an entire server to itself, offering maximum control, performance, and security. However, it is also the most expensive option. Cloud hosting. This it involves a network of servers offering high flexibility and scalability. The importance of reliable web host. Choosing a reliable web host is crucial as it affects the performance and security of your website. A good web host should offer fast loading times, high uptime rate. The amount of time your website is available online without any issues, robust security measures, and efficient customer support. The role of web hosting is SEO. Now, web hosting can impact your website. Search engine optimization factors like website speed, uptime, downtime, and security can influence your site's search engine ranking. Thus, choosing a high quality web hosting uh, web host can contribute to improve SEO and higher visibility of for your site. Web hosting, and e-commerce. For e-commerce website, web hosting is even more critical. These sites need to ensure fast and secure transactions. So e-commerce hosting plans offer come with features like SSL certificates for secure payments, shopping carts, software, and more.